Hello. I am capital letter D.
Hi, letter D. Nice to meet you.
Hello. I am small letter D.
Hi, small letter D. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am daring. Letter D. That's who I am. D, D, D. Let's say D. We are daring Ds. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. D, D, D. Let's clap our hands to letter D.
D, D, D. Let's clap our hands to letter D.
Who are you?
I am Donald. Daring duck. I am Daisy. Dazzling duck. D is for ducks. We live on the farm with our ducklings.
What is this?
It's a donkey. The donkey has such long gray ears. He has lived on the farm for many years with a hee-haw shout and a happy kick. He eats his hay and he eats it quick.
What is this?
It's a dragonfly. The dragonfly zips and zooms so high, a tiny rainbow in the summer sky with shimmering wings that sparkle and glow. He watches the river water flow.
What is this?
It's a drum. The drums go boom and the drums go tap. They make you want to dance and clap. Beat them fast or beat them slow. That is how the rhythms go.
What is this?
It's a dolphin. The dolphin leaps above the blue. He loves to splash and play with you with a silvery back and a happy grin. Watch him dive and watch him spin.
What is this?
It's a doll. My favorite doll has golden hair. I take her with me everywhere with tiny shoes and a dress of pink. She's the cutest friend, don't you think?
What is this?
It's a dinosaur. The dinosaur was big and grand, the strongest king in all the land, with a mighty roar and a heavy tread. I'm the biggest one, he loudly said.
What is this?
It's a duck. The duck says, quack, and waddles along, singing a happy, splashing song. In the pond, he loves to float, just like a little yellow boat.
What is this?
It's a dog. The dog is a friend who's loyal and true. He's always excited to play with you with a wagging tail and woof, woof, woof. He runs through the yard and acts like a goof.
What is this?
It's a deer. The deer is quiet, soft, and shy, with big brown eyes and a head held high. Among the trees, he likes to hide, taking a graceful, leaping stride.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter D today. Learning letters is a fun game. Dog, doll, and drum. Hooray! See you next time. Don't be late for letter G.
It will be great.